Dr. Che, and in this video we would write our model letter number 10. This would be part 1, video number 1. As you know, this is IELTS task 1 general training writing course. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on grammar, vocabulary, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. I have started from overview of general training task 1, then band descriptors, types of IELTS letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, then top 10 tips for letter writing, common phrasal verbs, what is contraction, useful language for each type of letter of complaint, inquiry, request, help, permission, and all of them. Then I have written more than 12 model letters in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. This is an overview of my channel. If you go to playlist of my channel, you can see there is an essay writing course, 54 videos, grammar course 50 videos, vocabulary course 73 videos. There would be more courses later on, so always open playlist of my channel for complete courses. This is our task for today. You recently attended a meeting at a hotel. When you returned home, you found that you had left some important papers at the hotel. Write a letter to the manager of the hotel. In your letter, say where you think you left the papers. Explain why they are so important. Tell the manager what you want him or her to do. So this is our task. So after writing the task, we have to underline the keywords. You recently attended a meeting at the hotel. When you returned, you found you had left some important papers at the hotel. And your right letter would be to the manager. No name is given, so we would imagine that unknown person. So we would write, dear sir or madam. In your letter, say where you think you left the, this can be all is important, where you left the papers you think is, why they are so important, and tell the manager what you want him or her to do. What you want him or her to do. So this is our task. After that, we have to decide whether it is formal, informal or semi-formal letter. We are writing to a manager, and this is a formal purpose, so this letter would be a formal letter. So after that, we have to decide how many pieces of information are there in the letter. Where you think you have left the papers, this can be one thing or can be one or more places. Why they are important and what you want him or her to do. So all a single pieces of information. The letter is formal. After that, you have to brainstorm your ideas. Brainstorm your ideas. Where you think you have left the papers. First of all, give the background to the manager. Why you were in the hotel for a meeting. Then said that you have left some papers and they can be in the meeting room. If they are not in the meeting rooms, tell some alternative also. Some two places would be better just to make a complete paragraph. If you write only one, this is no problem, you have covered the bullet point, but if you can give some alternative place, this is always better. Alternative place maybe at the reception desk. After that, we have to think about why they are important. These documents are important as it was a meeting can be about a business, so these are business documents, and this was the written only written contract for the business, and without this you can't export something like that. You can make it up, cannot export things, so you can do this. And what we want the manager to do for us, what we want just to ask any of their employees to look at these places and look for these things and these places and search them, and if you find, send us by courier. If in any place you say that send something by courier, you can add one extra thing that you would reimburse the charges of courier. This would make you a complete sentence and complete discussion. So now our brainstorming is complete. Now we have to decide how we would organize our letter. First of all, we don't know the person. We would start with dear sir or madam. Then we would write our intro. In intro we would write our purpose, because this is not to your friend. If it is to your friend, you would also write you would also write the chit chat to when it is to your friend. Then in the first body you would write first bullet point, first body first bullet point, and second body second bullet point. Second bullet point, you can join one or two bullet points if they are linked together, or if the paragraph is not too long. And then you would write a formal way to close it. I look forward to complete, and and then you would add, as it is with dear sir or madam, you would end this letter with yours faithfully, not with yours sincerely. This is how you would organize this letter. Just don't write it down in the exam, just keep it in mind that you would do in what manner. So first of all, our purpose, dear sir or madam. You can do I am writing to, because I have lost something in your hotel, but when you don't know anybody, it is always better to introduce a little bit introduction of yourself, who you are or why you are writing. Then why you are writing. I was a guest in your hotel on, then the date you can write any date. Today is 20 June 2020, so I can say 19th. You can also write only 19 June. I was a guest in your hotel on 19 June, and I am writing about some papers that I left there. I was a guest in your hotel on 19th June, and I am writing about some papers that I left there. So after that you would say, let us write the rest one in the second part of video. After watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters, but always remember, you should take some feedback from any true IELTS expert. And I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher preferably to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also.